Hi, this is Paul Whiting here. I just wanted to share some information about how to rent a car in Costa Rica. I have had gazillions of phone calls with the same discussion, and so I just thought I'd do a little video clip and tell you how I rent cars when I go to Costa Rica. Budget rental car is the only place that will do what I'm going to explain to you to do, at least from my experience. You might find that different. If you can do it somewhere else, that's great. Chase Sapphire is the credit card to use because it will pay for insurance. Now, insurance in Costa Rica, and I am happy to have somebody in Costa Rica watch this that can tell me that I'm wrong about it, and that's fine, I'll concede. But in Costa Rica, they want to charge you insurance out the gazoo. When you go online, at Budget, for example, you can find cars as cheap as $6.99 a day, $6.99 a day. But when you pay for the insurance, you'll pay 10 to 15 times more than that per day. So depending on how much you want to, how long you're going to be there, and how much you want to pay, and if you want to have their insurance, renting a car in Costa Rica can be very expensive. However, if you are able to do it the way I'm telling you, which I have done on multiple occasions in Costa Rica, I've been there 14 times in the last 12 months, and I've done it every time this way. You use your Chase Sapphire card because when you rent your car internationally with the Chase Sapphire card, it pays for any damages. It pays for your insurance, basically, on the car. Now, I've had American Express that's done that too. You can find whatever card works. Make sure your credit card works there. Now, you do have to leave a $3,000 deposit, but this is the only way that I've been able to see that you can waive that insurance. You take down the form, print it out before you go, that shows that your credit card pays for insurance on your vehicle. Otherwise, you have to pay for their insurance, and it's very expensive. If you have more questions, feel free to ask our team. We have some very knowledgeable folks. I have some friends that work at Budget Rental Car that may be able to help you. And so when it gets close for your time to connect, we'll connect you up with the people that hopefully will be able to help you rent your car cheaper. The last car I rented was an SUV. I rented it for $150 for 30 days. Just a couple weeks ago, I went to Costa Rica with my wife. We rented a car for 12 days for $85. Now, I have gone for 30 days. The first time I went, I paid $1,250. And you can do that too. It's just not as fun.